What is going on, guys? So I will show you a little bit in this video, me putting up some panels, doing some chiseling of some concrete, and then cutting a little bit of the base rail and attempting to see where the man door will fit. I got the complete wrong measurements for putting in the door, and it's kind of my fault for not double checking. So I'm gonna have to fix that somehow on the framing of the door itself. The door will go in. I'll make sure to record that because I don't think it'll take too much of me. I had to use a concrete chisel essentially to chisel away some of where I told my concrete guys to put it, almost like a sill plate concrete. I mean, you can see it in the video. It'll be like kind of in the bottom left hand corner under the door. It's almost like a little ledge for the sill plate to sit on. I gave them the wrong measurements, so that's where I was chiseling out kind of where I fucked up, and it worked out really well. So the panels are up on the back side, left side, and most of the right side, excluding where the door is. And then after the door, I got also another trim piece in, and you'll see that probably right around now. And from there, you guys can kind of see and be able to get a gist of what we were working on. So here you guys go.
Swamp water shimmer, crawdads in the moonlight, mosquitoes hum a tune, fish fry beyond the light. Got a tackle box full, hush puppies on the side, gators wink slow, that's the bayou vibe. Bass bayou fierce, real screaming in the heat, sipping on sweet tea, snug in my seat. Bait in the water, catfish staying woke, reeling them in quick, swoosh with a croak. Line tight, feeling mighty, casting out. Bayou dreams, fishing schemes, ain't no doubt. Water's calm, eating his palm, fish to swim about. Living life, casting lines, that's what it's about. Old man down the bend, telling tales of the past. Caught a monster, legend says it was vast. Shadows in the water, tales as tall as a tree. Nightfall creeping, whispers follow me. Slow beat, night creep, campfire blaze. Skeeter swamp, swamp north, foggy haze. Turtles in the shallows, bullfrog serenade. Bayou magic memories that never fade. Lanterns glowing soft, crickets sing a tune. Frying up the catch under the southern moon. Barefoot on the dock, night air crisp and cool. Fishing life, bayou love, breaking every rule. Feeling mighty, casting out. Bayou dreams, fishing schemes, ain't no doubt. Water's calm, eating his palm, fish to swim about. Living life, casting lines, that's what it's about. Line tight, feeling mighty, casting out. Bayou dreams, fishing schemes, ain't no doubt. Water's calm, eating his palm, fish to swim about. Living life, casting lines, that's what it's about.